Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. So today I decided to film this video to challenge myself to do a makeup look using only 5 drugstore makeup products. So there's like a lot of situation where I have very limited time and limited space for makeup products. Like, you know, I have this bag. It's a cute mini bag from Coach and it barely fits my makeup products. And a lot of brands, fashion brands, they just decided to do it even smaller. I just feel like it's impossible. So in this situation where I want to look chic on trend using like mini bag, I can only bring 5 products. So what are these products? And how can I use these products to cover all the areas on the face? And I just figure out how to multitask each of the product to cover the whole thing, and it's very interesting and it's super budget friendly. I just realized I really don't need that many products in my makeup bag. Okay, so without further ado, let's move on to the tutorial. Let's start with a clean face with some moisturizer. For the foundation, I'll be just using some concealer from NYX, and this is my go-to concealer, and I'll work on my darkness under eyes and my nose bridge and some other redness around my nose and mouth. Just enough product to hide the unevenness. And I'll be using my Artist oval brush, which is a travel size, to blend all the product into my skin from inside to outside of my face, and use some leftover products on the brush to finish the other areas on my face, like chin, like neck, eyelid if necessary. This is perfect. And I'll be using mascara as my brow gel. This mascara is from Neutrogena. It's my favorite because it's dark brown. It's not like totally black. And I'll just work on one of the brows first. And because I already have some microblading on my brow, I'll just kind of filling the brows, both of them. And to make this feathery brow effect, using a flat brush, and I'll use some brow brush just to make it even more feathery. Now they are matching, it's perfect. I'll move on to the bronzer. It's from number 7. This product is pretty creamy. It's powder product, but it's not like drying my skin. I use a large brush from Anissa Beauty, and on my forehead, my both sides of my face, my cheek, and my chin, just to narrow my chin and like cuter and smaller. I love using bronzer in summer. And I go ahead and use the same bronzer to contour my nose. It should be very subtle because the whole makeup is very natural and subtle. I just use my finger to blend in. The color is pretty nice for my skin tone. Yes, I love it for the definition of my nose. Then I move on to the Physicians formula, and this is my go-to highlighter. It's like golden shimmery color, and I put some of the product on my eyelids as a light eyeshadow to make myself look more awake. And I'll go ahead and use the number 7 bronzer again to do a darker shade on my eyelids to have some depth for my eyes. It's very beautiful and blendable, and I love using bronzer as my eyeshadow. They're so natural for everyday look. And I work on the outer corner of my eyes and the crease, and some of the products under eyes. And the highlighter again, just use fingers to highlight the nose tip, nose bridge, my lip, and my chin. Of course, both cheeks. For these areas, I'll be just using my finger to save some time. I love the shimmery effect. For the lips, I'll use the Crayon from Maybelline. And this crayon is very moisturizing and the pigmentation is amazingly good. And I work on my upper lip and my lower lip. And I like the color so much. I can wear this all day. It's my go-to shade. Plume, not too red, not too pink. And I dab some of the lip product onto my cheeks as a blush. It's just so easy and subtle. I love the shade. It doesn't have to be too much. It's the right amount of complexion product. And I'll go ahead and use the mascara again as my eyeliner. You can totally skip this if you don't have time, and use the same flat brush to create this subtle cat eye effect. These eyeliners should be very, very natural because the color is matching my hair and my brows. The eyeliner is definitely opening my eyes to make my eyes more awake. I love multi-use each of the product. Just saves a lot of space and money. And the final step is to apply mascara, the same Neutrogena mascara, Hydro Boost, because it's pretty curling, so I don't have to use an eyelash curler. I just go ahead and apply onto my both eyes. My natural lashes are very tiny, so I'm pretty happy with the result, even though it's not like crazy, like very, very long, but it definitely adds some depth to my eyes. I love the definition, I love the curling effect, and it's pretty comfortable to wear. They last all day. And some under eye lashes as well. Just don't skip this pack. Okay, this is the whole look. Using only 5 products, they're all drugstore products. This is so amazing. I'm so happy with the final look. Okay guys, this is the look that I just finished, and I used only 5 drugstore products, and it's very fun, very challenging, and I would definitely do more with other brands. And these are the essential products for my everyday. If I'm on the go, if I'm in a rush, you know, if I'm late for my appointments, these are the 5 pieces that I really want to bring. And they can multitask and they can cover different areas. You know, it's nothing like very fancy, but very glamorous or like well-rounded. If you're looking for like a full coverage, fancy makeup, this is definitely not for you. This is just for like everybody who's like just, you know, want something just essential, something quick, simple, you know, and budget friendly. So if you're new to makeup, you can just try these products. They're like really budget friendly and they're so easy to use, and you can get it everywhere, like Target, CVS, any drugstore. You can get these products. It's not going to be too much investment and definitely worth the money. Trust me, you're going to use these products like a lot. If you have like everyday situation like mine, I mean, this is a great way to finish your makeup look. You look more awake and without spending too much time. And I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any questions or comments, please use the comment box down below or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. I just can't wait to hear from you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.